Michael building us a good fire here. Alright, so this is our first time building a fire in the Bighorn fire pit. We picked this up at Lowe's. We're gonna see how it does cooking today. Alright, so we got our fire going. We got our rack set over the fire. Michael's gonna bring our cast iron pan in. We're gonna get this thing hot. And here in a minute, we're gonna put some shrimp on this. Alright, we're about to cook some buttered shrimp. Miss Angie, what are we gonna put in this? We got a little Old Bay seasoning. Good coat of that. What else we got here? Lowry's seasoned salt. Salt it up. Looking good already. Alright, next up, some paprika. Let's get a little bit of that on there. Boy, this thing needs to get on the fire. It's looking good. What we got next? A little bit of chili powder. It's getting hotter all the time. Alright, so you got some lemons there. What we're going to do here? First half a lemon, we're going to squeeze the juice on top. Alright, we're going to stir it all up, blend it in together. We'll be gentle with it. We don't want to tear our shrimp up. They sure are looking good. Alright, give them a nice stir, and we're about ready to get on the fire. Our pan has gotten hot. We're going to throw on a stick of butter. Let that start melting. Stir it around a little bit. Oh yeah, melted nicely. Okay, I believe she's going to get a little bit of garlic. Go ahead and put some garlic in that butter. Here we go. Garlic. Oh, listen to that. That's the sound of something wonderful. Stir that in. We'll get it good and melted here. We're going to throw some shrimp in here. Alright, garlic and butter mixed in. We've got some shrimp about to hit the pan. Listen to that, y'all. Listen to that. So good already. It's going to take a few minutes. You got to keep at it, stir them a little bit. Watch the color change. We'll be eating shrimp here in a minute. Work your shrimp a little bit, stir it around. Make sure it's done, but not too done. Man, that looks good. Some big shrimp. So, wish we had smell-o-vision right here. It's just looking good and smelling good, y'all. Right, Miss Angie's going to add a little parsley to the top. Dress it out for us. And this looks good. All right. All right, I think we're about ready. Take these off, put them on a plate. And we're going to see if we can't eat them and get rid of them. All right, we're going to swing this back over. Miss Angie's about to plate these. Wow, they look good. I don't believe in letting food rest too long. We're going to have to eat these really quick. Smell that garlic. This really smells good. All right, so there we have it. Butter, garlic, shrimp. Let's eat.